found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
Shaky. It's far up we have to go.
Drive, man. I don't like drive, come on, still.
So your cross button properly there now? You need to change up your valley roads, I tell you. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. You don't know your girl Melika Skylife in the building. Energy, 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 energy. Yo, I wanted them. So guys, I'm in the country now. I'm in Liti. Liti is in Montego Bay. Hanover this? Where to say Hanover? Well, Liti is in Hanover. And this is the community that we come to do rafting as well. So if you check the channel, there's a vlog on it that says rafting on the Great River. You can watch that video and you will see where I did rafting on the Great River. So this is the community. What's gonna happen now, we're heading to the pig farm. Me and I want me a guy pig farm. Me have a dear friend. Oh God, yeah, we're dear friend that go to pig farm because the road though to get there is really bad. So that's why you guys see the shaking and stuff like that. So once I go see pig there, let me go.
Sure.
If I get to see the pigs and stuff, I'll show you guys. Yeah, so we're gonna look some pig and beatings. So beautiful, guys. So guys, I'm actually in the hills of Hanover. It is so beautiful up here. The mountains, everything up here is so cool. Atmosphere clean. It's beautiful. I'm gonna show one to you. I see all the way around. Look. So they're actually on the farm right now. Looking at the pigs and stuff. Dear friend gonna look on the pig them and stuff. So Shut up, dog. So guys, I'm not really dressed appropriately for farming, but I'm in my backyard, and I just showed you. I have some stuff that I have to plant. I'm starting my backyard farm. We have a lot of fruits and stuff, but I'm gonna plant like scallion, cabbage, pumpkin, and this is the area that I'm gonna prep. It's gonna be my cabbage bed. Not my cabbage, my scallion. Scallion I'm gonna plant right so. I'm gonna tell you I'm gonna make one next area down there so. Bed, so we're gonna get started on the project. I don't know if you guys are gonna see everything, but yeah.
Where's your mail?
What are you calling me for?
Now after what you said.
I didn't say anything. Go ahead.
You went said something.
Boy, a water boat. What's a dance, Darwin? What's a dance? What's a dance? What's a dance? What's a dance? We are clean the area. I'm not even dressed for farming today, but I'm just go on. We're not gonna finish tonight because we have a lot of area to cover. We are going forward back and finish up. I'll show you guys the finishing when we're done clean it up. Please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and show the love. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Morning, guys. So I woke. Damn, that lighting! I woke up a bit early. It's around 8 o'clock now. Actually, I am going to work on the garden bed and lighting. Get the right lighting. Oh, that's my tripod. I was gonna say a belly goat. So I'm gonna show you what we did so far. Supposed to done today still. Or we can move on to the second step. So this is what we cleaned so far. We need for rake up. And we're gonna clean over there. And then we will be completed. So actually, where I'm gonna plant the stuff, there was a chicken coop right here, right? So that will make the soil very morning. The soil here is very it fertilized already. Like you don't know what chicken do already in our dirt. So I'm excited about that. I think I'm gonna get some good growth out of it. So I'm going to start the cleanup process. Tyrion soon come. So the soil have the manure in it already. I have my gloves yesterday. I didn't use the gloves and I got blisters on my fingers. So I have my gloves this morning and I'm dressed better. So you're gonna see my outfit. I'm a savage. So I'm in my jeans pants. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Acting stupid, not happy. And this is what I'm in a Skylife Fitness Solution belt. Gloves, my shit. Crocs. just found like a basin, a face basin. I'm gonna dig out dirt so it can fit in there, and I'm gonna use that as a little, you know, thing. I don't know yet. Oh. Put them out over that one. Done. The drink of it.
Melissa, drink up red side.
Move. The water move. Come on.
Yeah.
Come round here.
Spear dig for. I see him to go, but Melissa done it. I can't get some fleshy.
Boy, me I get bun.
Our eyes full up.
Don't stop. I'm not going to cut you again. Move. Move front. Come on here. Come on this side. Chop you again. Alright, I'll chop you again. Move yourself. Bad cut still.
Yeah, I cut it.
Go this off for me. Tell Tyrone,
Won't they dig up the dirt for? So won't do we get for plant?
me go put topsoil on it.
Melissa?
Because he have to dig up.
Then you have the dirt. You only weed where you see all your weed. Let me tell you something. You know, you get. Me know about everything. See that? See there? See there? See there? I saw you do it. You jam the dirt.
Mama.
All yes, sir. See
Mama.
there? You chop off all that.
I tell you and chop them up.
I know me.
And I saw you do it. You boil up it.
Mama.
But yes. All right. Let me tell you.
Me go plant.
Till your son them in them or something.
Me go plant something there in that, mama. Me not throw that.
Listen to me. You go weed, you do so.
Yeah, them they pull out easy.
All of them are the same thing. See there. I saw you weed place. And when you weed done, if you chop off the head
I
them.
tie away and chop them up, me say.
See there.
No.
Watch it. See there. I saw you do. I saw you weed place and plant something. See there. See the root come out there. So you're not supposed to chop it.
I bump there, give me some. I bump there, give me
This
some.
one sit in your room.
Well,
This
Maka.
not come out so because see there. Yeah, and I concrete.
Some don't get that out now.
Me know you not working till your Sunday till you have to miss Sabbath day. You have to make this day. Make that stay, you know.